Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Martins, and in this tutorial we're going to learn about sets. So let's get started. A set is a collection which is unordered and unindexed. In Python, sets are written with curly brackets. So let's create a set. And to print out this set, there's the value of the sets. When working with a set, you can add an item to a set using the built-in add function. You can do that by using the following commands. We're going to add a new value, Thursday, to this set and print out the new value. So if we print this out now, it's unordered, but you can see Thursday is not added to the my set. To make it clearer, I can put a print function here. So this is the value before this line was added to the set. This is the value here, and this is the value after the line was added to the set. So if you want to add an item to a set, you use the add function, the built-in function. So that is how you add an item or a value to an existing set. Sometimes when you're working with a set, you want to update the sets with multiple values. Here we have a set of 3 values: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And if we print this out now, you can see Tuesday, Wednesday, Monday, because sets are unindexed and unordered. So if we clear the screen and print it out again, you see Monday is first this time. So each time you run it, it shows a different value because sets are unindexed and unordered. So to add multiple values to a set, you use the following syntax. So my set dot update is the method, and you put the items you want to update the set with in a square bracket within the update method. So to separate the before and after effect of the update method, I will just enter in a string of broken lines. And this is the printout of the set after using the update method to add multiple values to the existing set. So initially, the set had 3 items. Now it has 5 items because we use this method here, the update method, to add 2 more items to the existing set. So that is how you add multiple items to an existing set. When dealing with sets or working with sets, you can check if a specific value is present in a set by using the following commands. So we're going to check if the value Friday is in my set. That's this set here. So we'll print this out because the value Friday is not present in my set 1. Alternatively, if we change this to a value that's present, say Monday, and we print out it's true. So that's how to check if a value is present in a given set. Sometimes when you're programming, you want to return the length of a specific set. And to do that, you use the length function. And this is the syntax. So to find out the length of this set, you use this function, len. So to print out the value, three. So 3 is the number of items in this set. It's 1, 2, 3. So that is how to find the length of a set. Sometimes you want to iterate through a given set, and to do that you can use the for loop to loop through the values of the set. So we're going to create a set of integers. What we have here is a set of integers from 0 to 7 and a for loop that loops through the mindset values, and we're printing out the individual values. And this is how to iterate through a given set by using the for loop to loop through the individual value or values of a set. Sometimes when you're working with a set, you want to clear the content so you can re-enter new content. So to clear the content of a set, you use the clear method. Let me show you an example. So this method attached to the my set1 will clear all the content in the set and return an empty set. Let us print out the value of my set1. An empty set. So that is how you clear the content of a set. There are several ways to join two or more sets in Python. You can use the union method, and this returns a new set that contains all items from both sets. Alternatively, you could use the update method, and this inserts all the items from one set into another. Let me show you an example of using the union method. So we have two sets here, and we want to join the two sets together. So we do that by, let us declare a new variable, call it set3. So to join these two sets together, we have used the union function, which join this list of sets with this list of sets. And now the value of my set3 is the combination of my set1 and my set2. So let us print out the new value. So that's the combination of these two, 1 through 3 to 10. Alternatively, you could use the update function to join two sets. So let me show you an example of using the update function to join two sets. So my set is now updated to include set 2. So if we print my set 1 now, it now holds a combination of these sets of numbers and these sets of numbers because of the update function. And remember that using the update or the union method will exclude any duplicate items in the sets. Let's just quickly show the example. Say if I include 5 in set 2 and then run, now we have a duplicate of 5 here and 5 here, and run the new value of set 1 and see if it will return 2 5s in the set of numbers. You see, only 1 5. So using the union method and the update method, it excludes any duplicate item in the set. And that is how you join 2 or more sets together. In addition, in some cases, you would like to remove random item from a set. So you don't have a specific item to remove, just want to remove any item. And because sets are unordered, you can do this using the pop function. So let me show you an example of using the pop function. So with this printer, we print out the item that was removed, and with this print item, we print out the remaining items in the set. So Tuesday was removed from the set, and the remaining items from the set is Wednesday and Monday. So that is how you remove random item from a set. Sometimes when you're programming, you want to remove an item from a set. And there are 2 ways you can do this. You can either use the remove method or the discard method. The difference between the remove method and the discard method is when you use the remove method, if the item you intend to remove is not in the set, it will raise an error. Let me show you an example. So from this set, we can obviously see that it doesn't contain Friday. So let's try to remove Friday. I will print out the set. See, it raised an error because the item I'm trying to remove is not available in the set. So if I remove an item that is available now, so we'll use this to print it out. So it just prints out the remaining item. Alternatively, we could use the discard method. Discard method will not raise an error message even if the item you want to remove from the set is not available. So let me show you an example. So let's try to remove Saturday. It just prints out the existing values in the set. On the other hand, if we try to remove a value that exists in the set, then it prints out the remaining values. And that is how you remove an item from a set. And that is it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you can get notified each time I publish a new video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one.